Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikhils, and today video I will show you how to print English alphabet B. Okay, let's see. So first I have to run a loop for row in a range. With the help of this loop, I will able to manipulate my row, and also I have to use inner loop. With the help of this loop, I will able to manipulate my column. Okay, so now I have to put my condition. Now I'm just telling if condition are true, then I have to print star. Print print the star. And after printing the star, I don't want to change the line. If you don't provide and attribute means then it's change the line. With I just want to I don't want to change the line. Okay. And if my else and if my condition is not true, then also I have to and with space. Okay, so else will run when my if condition is false. So after that I have to come out from my inner loop, means from the column loop, and also I have to print this, means without providing and when come to this line it's changed the line. Okay, so now let's see the condition. If you call equal to 0 or column is equal to 4, means first column and last column, then print star. Let's see. Yes, I'm able to print, but now I don't want to print star in this position, and this position. So let's see how to do that. Simply I have to use and row not equal to 0 and row not equal to index 3 means 4 and row not equal to 6. Okay, now I simply print the row in print star in first row in first, and then in third fourth row and in last row. So let's see how to do that. Simply print or row equal to 0 in first, or row equal to this time I have to 3, or row equal to mm, row equal to 6. Okay, but and mm, I don't want to print star in this place and this place. So for that I simply have to call less than 4. So now I simply put it inside the bracket. Now you can see, and now okay, okay, here is the problem. I have to remove this. Let's see. Okay, now I have to put it inside the bracket. So now you can see I'm able to print the B. So let me explain you how it's. With the help of this first loop, I am able to control my all row. So, okay, these are my row. Okay, horizontal line. And with the help of inner loop, which is I use for to control all the column. Okay, all the vertical. Okay. So if column is 0 means this column, or if column is 4 means this column. Okay, is true, then print. But I have provided a condition and means if, okay, look, and or row not equal to 0 means for this column, means in for row 4. Okay, if row means column 4, if row value is 0, then I don't print in this place, and if 3, don't print star in this place. Okay, and row is equal to 6 means don't print in this place. So this is my first. With the help of this, I will able to remove this star, and simply then I use row 0 means this row and this row, and I give the value less than 4 means don't include this column. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I know it is a little confused because I did a mistake in bracket. So if you watch it again and again, you can simply understand my logic. So thank you for watching this video.